I got this Nikon N80 back in 2008 or 2009 when I first wanted to try shooting film on something other than the consumer point-and shoots our family used for special occasions. I used it for a couple of years and stopped, and it was only this January 2022 that I thought of picking it up again. By then, the back cover won't lock and the lens had a lot of fungus, so I sent it off to Dong's camera shop in Quiapo, Manila for repair. They fixed the rear cover so it would latch again and also cleaned all the fungus from the lens. After dropping in 2 fresh CR123A batteries, it boots up fine. You can see the empty film compartment indicator and cycle through aperture, shutter priority, manual modes. This is a modern electronic film SLR made in the late 90s, so you cannot use it if it has no battery. It recognizes DX-coded 35mm films. Just pause the video to see the price for the repair and fungus removal. Please do check out the various links to related past work I've shared in the description below.